The Org Business Consultants are back with another financial model, which is Office Administrative Services Excel financial model. This model will help the Office Administrative Services providers to evaluate, forecast, and visualize their financial performance. First, we have the table of content, which includes the input sheet, revenue analysis, financial statements, and the dashboard for your visual representation of financial performance. Starting with the input sheet, it includes the assumptions for the capital structure, the services, their segmentation and pricing, the payroll assumptions, capital expenditure, operating expenditure, and the receivable and payable days assumption. Moving on to the revenue analysis sheet, it includes the total number of customers, the customers as a fixed client, and the one-time client, the revenue generated from each of these customers, and the cost of services. Next, we have the startup summary. The startup summary is the estimation of how much investment is required for the first year of your business, and it also consists the graphical representation of total cost and utilization of funds. Moving on to the financial statements. So first we have the statement of profit and loss. It mentions about revenue, cost of services, operating expenses, and net income before and after taxes. Next we have the cash flow statement. It shows the cash inflows and the outflows of your company, which is further divided into operating, investing, and financing activities. Next, we have the statement of financial position, which shows the total assets, equity, and liabilities as at the date assumed and forecasted. Moving on to the financial analysis sheet. So first we have the break-even analysis, the point at which the cost and income of your business are equal. The model shows the break-even with respect to the clients. Next we have the company valuation, which shows the value of your company at year zero. It also includes the burn rate analysis and minimum investment required. Next, we have the sensitivity analysis, which is the comparison of the valuation of company in the actual, optimistic, and worst case scenarios. Next, we have the KPIs and ratios. Financial ratios includes the profitability, liquidity, solvency, and efficiency ratios with their graphical representation. Moving on to the next sheet, which includes the working of depreciation, loan amortization, and working capital. The depreciation table shows the reduction in the value of your asset for the next 5 years, and the loan amortization schedule shows the monthly principal and interest payments. The working capital shows the amount in account receivable and payable and the monthly changes in these accounts. In the last, we have the dashboard, which shows the most relevant financial graphical representation of the model and depicts the key financial metrics for the better understanding of performance measures. It also includes a slicer. You can see the individual result of each year by just clicking on the timeline slicer. Thanks for watching.